Hey guys, JB here from MultiDAO. Now in this video, we're going to be going over the new Multichain Cross-chain Explorer. We're going to be looking at all the data points and features it has to offer. So without further ado, let's dive into it. All right. So right from the home screen of the Multichain Cross-chain Explorer, you can see that there's all these different data points, such as 24-hour transactions, 24-hour users, 24-hour fees, and 24-hour volume. In addition, there's total volume, tokens, the amount of bridges, total value locked, and the amount of chains. Over here, you can see the transaction history, and down below, you can see the transaction list and the pending list. Now, sometimes when you do a transaction through the multi-chain router, it takes a few minutes. And if you want to see your pending transaction, you can go right here. And if you want a more detailed and to actually search your transaction hash, you can either click view all pending, or you can go up top and go to pending transactions. So under pending transactions, if you're trying to find where your transaction is, you can search your transaction hash here. Now, sometimes there can be a glitch and it's not showing your pending transaction and you can't see it under the successful completed transactions either. So if that happens, you can actually go up top here to the tools section. Now, under the tools section, you can enter in your transaction hash. You can select what chain you sent your transaction from and what chain you sent your transaction to. After that, you would hit submit and your transaction should show up. Now, after 5 minutes of using this tool, it should also show up on the Multichain Explorer, either under pending transaction or completed transactions. Now, moving along to further look at what this Explorer has to offer, we can go to this tab called the Tokens tab. Now, under the Tokens tab, you can see all 3,256 bridges and coins that Multichain Router has to offer. You can see what chain it's on, the supply, and total value locked. You can go through all 66 pages if you really want to do that. Now, moving on, we have the Networks tab. Now, under the Networks tab, you can see all the nodes that are running for the Multichain Router. There's 21 nodes in total on 81 chains, supporting 3,256 bridges and a total value locked of 1.76 billion. After the Networks tab, we have the dashboard. Now, under dashboard, you have even more data points showing you the 24, 7 days, 30 days, and total for volume. As you can see, the Multichain Router is approaching $100 billion of volume. The total fees have been 38 million, total users 806,000, total transactions 4.6 million, and the average time is 6.06 minutes. And this will be speeding up once Fast MPC comes out, and that should be coming out very, very soon. Now, moving on to our charts tab. Now, looking at the charts tab, we have two very nice graphs up here, which you can sort by day, month, or year. And we're up top, you're looking specifically at total value locked and volume for 24 hours. If you move down, you can see all the tokens that Multichain supports and the supply with total value locked into the Multichain Router. As you can see, it's mostly comprised of stable coins at the top, as you got USDC, Magic Internet Money, and Tether rounding up the top three. Moving down, you can see which chains have the most TVL for the Multichain Router. Taking the top spot is Phantom, followed by Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Now, if you go up top here and you want to view more charts and graphs of data points, you can select this More button. Now, under the More button, we have many charts to look at. As you can see all the way down. But we'll start at the top. As you can see, the chart on the top left shows total volume. And once again, you can sort it by day, month, or year. Furthermore, you can use the slider to select a specific time period you want to look at, which is a very nice feature. Next, over here, you have gas fees or fees in general, whereas gas fees are highlighted in red and the total fee is in green. Furthermore, you got average time, transaction count, you got address count, total volume, which raises over time, total fee, and total transactions. As you can see, it continues to raise over time. So that is the Multichain Cross-chain Explorer. I hope this helps. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm JB from MultiDAO. Happy bridging, everybody, and bye for now.